Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. In today's DIY project, I'm going to be making a globe shape with words on it, joy to the world. So if you want to see how that comes out, then I hope you keep watching. For this DIY, I'm going to use this globe to make a decor piece, and I'm going to cover it with saran wrap and then use this caulking. Basically just creating a blank slate. It's going to be white to start with. I'm going to paint it black, I think. I'm not sure. Either way, I'm going to show you how that's going to go. I will decide as I'm going. So first step is to just cover it with the wrap. And now that it's completely covered, I'll layer on the caulking. And this caulk came from the Dollar Tree. This is going to be a very easy and inexpensive DIY. I have a few of them just in case, so I'm going to get started. And I'm going to use this Cricut tool to smooth out the caulk. So I'm going to let this dry a little bit before I complete the bottom, and then I'll come back and finish that. The top part of this had a chance to dry for a day, so I'm just going to add the caulk to the bottom half. Globe, and all the caulk is dry. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint the globe, and I'm going to make it white. Alright, this is nicely dried, so I'm going to be trying something new. I'm going to use some graphite paper, and I don't really know how this is going to turn out. I hope it doesn't. I feel like it's going to rub off on the wrong spots, but if that happens, I could try to touch it up with some more paint. We'll see. But I'm going to start working on this. I'm going to put these two pages together and then use a little bit of tape to hold it in place on here. This is the general idea that I'm going with, so we'll see what it's gonna look like. Okay, it's good enough, so now I'm going to move on to the next step.